Our stainless steel cabinet and cold buffet station. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 59 inches in length, 27.5 inches in depth, 54.5 inches with top glass cover, wheels to the top of the cold table. We have 34.5 inches tall. Depth of the glass cover itself, we have 22.5 inches. Included are two removable large pans, and the measurements for each pan will include 13 inches in length, 20.75 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Interior dimensions for each pan will include 11.75 inches in length, 19.75 inches in depth, also by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for both pans. Each pan can be removed and inserted back into their slots. Also included will be 8 individual smaller pans, with each pan measuring 6.25 inches in length by 4 inches in height. Interior diameter, we have 5.75 inches. Measurements apply for each of the individual small pans. Each one can be removed and inserted back into their slots. Coming to the front and back will be dual slide doors and a center shelf. Shelf will measure 21.5 inches in depth by 57.5 inches in length. Interior height from the center shelf towards the top, we have 10 inches in height. And the bottom, towards the top of the center shelf, we have also 10 inches in height. Coming to the bottom corner will be a valve to release water and access ice coming from the top. So by removing each individual pan, along with the two large pans, ice can be filled in each compartment that will chill your products. So whenever you need to drain out the ice and water, this valve will serve its purpose. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.